name?
Grumpy Cat.
How old are you?
10.
Who are your friends?
Pinky.
Minnie?
Yes.
And do you have any other friends?
Tidy.
Oh, Tidy. Do you have any friends that are boys?
No, I just have girls that are my friends.
Are you in love with anyone?
No.
Oh, okay. Does anyone mean to you?
No.
Oh. What's your favorite thing? What do you like? Do you like your friends?
Grumpy cake.
You like what's grumpy cake?
It's a cake that grumpy cats eat.
Oh, there are more grumpy cats?
Uh-huh.
Do you like your friends?
Uh-huh.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No.
Yes, you do.
Bye-bye.
What about Aurora?
Oh, yeah.
And who's your mom and dad? Isn't it Jesse and...
David.
Who's David?
The Invisible Man.
Whoa, your dad is the Invisible Man.
Named David.
Uh-huh. So is that all you wanted to tell me?
Yeah.
Do you like your fur?
Yeah.
Do you like your tail?
Yes. If
Okay.
someone touches it, I'll be grumpy.
Okay. Do you like your whiskers?
No, they're in the way of my eyes always. Yes, you do.
And what are the girly things you like to do?
Play video games.
Uh,
And eat grumpy cakes.
well, I heard one time you had a manicure and a pedicure with your friends. That must be the girly things you like.
No. The only thing I like is to be really grumpy.
Well, you also have manicures and pedicures. You're just not admitting it because you're embarrassed.
Wow.
So,
He only likes to be touched. Grumpy Cat only likes to be touched by you and me. Adriana, hug me now. Please. Okay.
and Grumpy Cat.
Please hug me now.
Grumpy Cat, what's your favorite color?
White.
White.
White and brown.
White and brown. Very good colors, very.
It's because I'm white and brown.
Oh.
I like.
What color are your eyes? Can I look at your eyes? Ooh, beautiful color. It's a blue-green mixed with some gray. They're very interesting. Would you one day like to meet a real cat? Because I can show you real cats.
I've already met. It's a black cat. Also, it's like yellow.
And the cats didn't pay attention to you. And
They think I'm a real cat, but I'm not.
do you have a favorite animal?
My favorite animal, Grumpy Cat.
So cats. And favorite sport?
Grumpy Ball.
How about just taking a walk? Okay, I guess this interview is over.